All right, so that's it. Everything is clean. Now I'm gonna start putting it back together. I need to grease bearings. I need to put this hub back together. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I need to stuff this thing full of grease here. I might do that when I'm down there though. But yeah, I'm gonna start moving stuff back over that it doesn't need any attention right now. And then we'll start putting this hub back together. And then this hub, we're gonna grease the bearings, get that back in there, get the seal in there. Yeah, keep on working here. Okay, so what you got here is you got these adjusters, and as you turn them, that is all the way down. As you turn them, it brings this little adjuster up. Okay, so that spreads the shoes out. There's one on both sides, so I'm gonna push this one out a little bit. And then you go in from the back. There's a slot here. Oh man, that's real hard to see. Okay, there's a slot there that you stick a screwdriver in to turn that, to tighten it up. So, to take the slack out of the shoes. So let's put this back on. got a little bit of adjustment in there, but I can tell just by the way the shoe's going on that we're not, or the drum's going on, that we're not even anywhere close to being adjusted. So we need to run these adjusters out quite a bit. Nope, that's the wrong way again. We gotta run these out quite a bit just to get close to our starting point. There we go. All right. So now they're close. Oh, gotta get a smaller screwdriver. Ooh, just that one little click. One click got us right where we need to be here. Let's try the bottom. Alright, well that's what you want. You just want like just a little bit of drag. Basically, now I'm going to go around on the backs. I got to do the same thing. Everything's good back there. I just have to put the brake drums on and adjust them, and then I need to still put together the other side completely. So when I see you next, all of that stuff will be done, and we'll move on to the next thing. We're getting close. We're getting close to being able to drive this thing again. Okay. All the new seals are on the front. Brakes are in. I'm gonna need somebody to help me bleed the brakes, but for now, I'm gonna go ahead and move back to the wiring. I finally had a breakthrough in the wiring, and now every single circuit works. I ended up having 2 of the wires switched for the turn signals, because the turn signals have 2 sets of green and yellow wires and 2 sets of green and orange. So I switched them around and basically had, when you stepped on the brake, it was sending the power to the front lights instead of sending them to the rear lights. So I got that fixed. We got the hazard switch fixed and working, so I just got to get that back in there. I got to get this gauge cluster in here finally and just button this all up for good. Thank you everyone for watching. This thing's going to be wrapped up hopefully in the next, maybe the next episode, maybe 2 episodes. But thank you guys for watching so much, and we'll catch you in the next one.